There are many reasons why you might choose cladding over tiling. The ease and speed of installation, its hygienic qualities, its low maintenance, the variety of designs, or even the way it feels to the touch. The installation process for cladding can be completed by the weekend DIYer and with a minimum of non-specialist tools. The first panel can be on the wall within minutes and without having to step over tubs and tubs of adhesive. And because of the larger size of the panels, progress can be seen immediately. The tongue and groove locking system does away with the frustration of having to line up each and every component of a wall covering. Once cut to size, pushing the panel into its neighbour will ensure the perfect positioning. With a tube of adhesive used within a standard caulking gun and a few screws, you're on to the next board. And when it comes to those tricky junctions at interior or exterior corners, or even at the end of a run of panels, there are specially designed trims that will ensure a clean, professional looking finish. And as an added benefit, if you are looking to move from tiles to cladding, you don't even have to go through the process of stripping the tiles from the walls. Once cleaned, cladding can be installed directly onto the surface of the tiles.